What's up guys? Today we're making caramel sauce. It's really easy and also really hard. Let's get started. First, we need 1 cup of granulated sugar in a medium saucepan at medium heat. And we're going to start by whisking and continue to whisk for about 10 minutes until it's fully caramelized and becomes a liquid. At which point we'll add 90 grams of unsalted room temperature butter. Now, if your mixture doesn't fully homogenize, don't worry. Just remove it from the heat and keep whisking. It'll eventually incorporate itself. At which point, we can let it rest without whisking for 1 minute. Once that minute is up, whisk it very quickly, and then we will slowly add our 1/2 cup of heavy cream. This will bubble a lot as well, but don't worry, this is normal. Once it's fully incorporated, we're going to let it sit for another minute and just let it cook. Once this minute is up, we're going to add our salt to taste, give it a quick mix, and that's it. Remove it from the heat. This is our caramel sauce. It might seem liquidy now, but trust me, it'll thicken as it gets cold. I also like to transfer it to a mason jar because it's just easier to pour out of. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is really easy and can make any dessert really delicious, especially cheesecake.